welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelsey. For those of you guys who do not know me, if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you guys so much for 100 subscribers. I am so happy that you guys are supporting me on this journey of YouTube. YouTube has changed a lot recently, so just getting to the 100 subscriber mark means so much to me. If it is your first time here, I do make a lot of beauty videos, so a lot of makeup tutorials, a lot of makeup reviews, etc, etc, etc. But go ahead and give them a view, give them a like if you like them. If you don't like them, give me a comment down below. Let me know what you want to see, and I will definitely make that happen. I want everyone to feel included on my channel, and I'm going to do everything that I can to make sure that happens. On a previous video where I donated $450 worth of makeup to my roommates, you guys wanted to know how I sanitize my makeup, so that is the video that I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to be showing you guys how to properly sanitize your makeup if you do want to donate it, or if it's just time to clean your makeup if you are sick one day and you have to wear makeup for work or something. It is really important that you sanitize your makeup all the time or often enough so that there's no germs or bacteria growing on your makeup, because as much as we love our makeup, it can get really dirty. Without further ado, I'm going to show you guys the whole process, the whole shebang. It's actually super simple, super easy. You can do this at home, and let's get started. Alrighty, so what you're going to need is some alcohol. I just have this plain bottle right here. I have some in a spray bottle, so this is really going to help and come in handy when you want to spray some of your eyeshadow palettes or just bronzers or whatever you're going to treat. You're going to need some Kleenex and then just a little small bowl to sanitize some lipsticks. You will need this as well. The first product that we are going to sanitize today is a bronzer. So I just have the Wet n Wild Color Icon bronzer in Bikini Contest. The first thing I'm going to do is going in with a Kleenex and wipe off this top layer of product. You're just going to gently wipe the top off. It's going to get all over the tissue. That's why you're going to want several tissues, especially when you're doing eyeshadow palettes, just so you don't mix the colors. Then you're going to shake off the excess, get your bottle of alcohol. You're just going to spray the product just like so. Go in one more time, just clean off the excess alcohol that's around the sides and let it dry, and that is sanitized. You guys, it's really not that hard to sanitize products like this or eyeshadow products like this. It's pretty much all the same process. You're just going to want to clean off the top layer with a Kleenex, spray some alcohol, and let it dry. And that removes a lot of the germs or anything funky that can be on it. So you can do that same exact process for highlighters, bronzers, anything powder related, compact, etc, etc. You can use that method. I'm going to show you how I do it with an eyeshadow palette. So the same thing applies. You're just going to get a Kleenex. You're going to wipe off the top of all the eyeshadow pans. And then once you wipe that layer off, you're going to go in with some alcohol and spray it. Go in back with that Kleenex to take off the excess alcohol anywhere else you got it. And you're just going to let the palette dry on its own, and it's going to sanitize it. The last thing that I'm going to show you guys how to sanitize is some lipsticks that I have here. You're going to remove the lids. You're going to twist it up just a little bit more, and you're going to go in with your Kleenex and wipe off that top layer of lipstick that you may have used. So I'm going to go ahead and do both of these lipsticks at the same time. Again, twist it up and wipe off the top layer. Then you're going to need a cup and your bottle of alcohol. You're going to pour some alcohol in the cup. Then you're going to get your lipstick and dump it in there. Just leave it in there for about 15 to 30 seconds or so. When you bring it out, just shake off the excess alcohol, turn it over, and then just let it dry. And it is as simple as that, you guys, just to sanitize everything. This is not going to ruin the formula of the lipsticks at all, or the formula of the eyeshadows or the bronzers, because alcohol tends to dry and evaporate very quickly, so it's not going to ruin anything. And shake off the excess and turn it around and let it dry, and you are done. That is basically the whole concept of sanitizing your makeup. It's really important just to keep stuff sanitized, especially if you share makeup with roommates like I do. If you get sick and you're still using your makeup, it's really important just to go ahead and sanitize it after, so that the sickness and those germs don't stay on your makeup. It's a really simple process. It doesn't take that long, and it's really beneficial to the health and longevity of your makeup products. But I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. It was really easy to explain this process to you, but now you guys are informed and can be more safe and cautious when sharing your makeup with other people. Just remember to sanitize and remove any germs or that layer of germs that may be on your product, because you never know what can be on it and what can spread to other people. But thank you guys so much for watching. I know it was extremely short, but I will link my last video in the description box below, and I will see you guys on Friday. Make sure you remember to hit the subscribe button before you leave. If you're interested in videos like this, go ahead and give me a comment down below of what you want to see next, and I will see you guys on Friday.